Hey guys, zpolt here and I'm back for another vlog, and it is a really gloomy day today. It's not sunny, so it's a nice day to go out and just chill. So I'm gonna bring the KZ APTX HD with me. This is my top recommendation as a Bluetooth connector for KZ. We're gonna use it in a day and sort of give you guys a glimpse on how you use it in a day. Is it really viable to use it in a whole day scenario? We're gonna check it out in this video. Super rainy day, gloomy day. Okay, just arrived in my location, so let's wear the KZ APTX HD now. Of course, I'm using the APTX for my lobes, my main wireless driver. So this is how it looks like. It's a bit long, as you can see, with the two modules here, but it is still compact, not a problem. And with what I'm wearing, kind of fits in a way because gray on like off purple, so it kind of looks nice. Maybe that's just me, but first we're gonna go and grab some food and walk in the mall. We're gonna test if this holds up in terms of like the connection. We're gonna grab the best food that you can get in SM, in any SM, and that is food court shawarma. Of course, I'm gonna listen to the playlist I made at zpolt's Casual Listening. You can follow it in Spotify, of course. Shawarma was good, really good. One of my favorites. You should try that out. It's Caleb shawarma. Now I'm off for some dessert. Of course, Dairy Queen, and of course some feedback with the KZ APTX. So it's been 2 hours. I'm walking around the mall. I haven't encountered any issues yet in terms of connection, and just got reminded again how good sounding the APTX is. Really just has some bite at the top. Good treble in the APTX. Nice extension, good energy overall, and also the bass energy is very good because it's a BA bass, so definitely good also in the APTX. But definitely right now the APTX HD connection is really good, performance really good in terms of size, also in terms of the sound quality. It has little difference between the wired connection, so that is nice. I'm enjoying so far the APTX HD. So when walking like this, the APTX HD is pretty stable. It doesn't wobble at all, so I had no problems moving around the mall and walking with it. So yeah, the aerials definitely helps. So stability, not a problem for me. Now buying some coffee, afternoon coffee. Trying a drink from Starbucks. Try out my drink. It's Americano White Mocha on the Roxy Freeway Grande. So this is the mix. Americano White Mocha on the Roxy Freeway Grande. It's very, very nice. This is my favorite drink. It's called the Barista's drink. Some flatbread, coffee. So one thing nice about the KZ APTX is if you're not using it, just put it on your neck. It's not that cumbersome. It's not that tacky to bring. It doesn't take much of your neck compared to the TRN BT3 that I used before. So that is really like a headband. So that's a lot harder to put on your neck compared to this one. So this one's easier, a lot lighter in the neck. It's pretty comfortable. You're wearing it around your neck. So yeah, one nice thing about the KZ APTX. Okay, so I'm done with my day. And yeah, I've used the KZ APTX for the whole day, and it was awesome. I did like it. I did like how it performed. So yeah, I guess it is a very solid kit. It does perform well. No disconnections, no major issues apart from the fact that yeah, you have the turn on turn off issue raw performance, no issues for me. The AS6 just sounds really nice with this one. Also, yeah, in terms of sound, very nice sounding. So yes, definitely you can use this as a daily driver without any issues. So I haven't used this when exercising because I am not exercising yet. I will soon, so probably I'll make another vlog about that pretty soon. But yes, for now with my usage, no major issues. So yes, highly recommended KZ APTX HD. Okay, so one more thing before I end this vlog. So right now I'm really impressed with wireless, and especially this one, the KZ APTX. Definitely the APTX versions increase in performance a lot compared to the previous ones. So actually I failed to mention a while ago that while I'm watching a video, there's no substantial delay, especially when there's people talking. So there's no substantial delay with the iPhone, and also as well with the Android also. So in terms of delay, it's getting nearer and nearer to wired connections. And also, yeah, in terms of the wired quality, it's very near also the wired quality. Definitely there's still something different about wired, but definitely in terms of the wireless technology now, it's getting nearer in terms of performance with wired. So really impressive now. Definitely if you are that critical in having the best audio, and you're that critical in the delay, definitely the wireless nowadays can accomplish that. So really impressive by what KZ is doing. And definitely, yeah, this is probably my top recommendation nowadays. It's around $30, so it's in the expensive side when it comes to connectors, but I would say it's well worth the price that you're paying for. But for me, yeah, just get the black version, not the gray version. It kind of fits my outfit now though, just today, but on my normal days, maybe not. Maybe this is too loud, but well, if this is for you, maybe you can get it won't be a problem for you. So that is my short vlog and day in a life today. This, I guess, vlog number 12. So I'm gonna try to do more vlogs like this, using gadgets on a daily, because I just want to vlog when I'm out. I guess it's just like me as a content creator, I always want to do something, and when I'm out, I'm looking constantly to make content. So I always bring my camera now. But yes, that is the vlog for today. Hopefully you learned something. If you did, of course, leave a like, and of course subscribe for more content like this in the future. Of course, if you want to get APTX HD, use my links below, and also the AS6. Very nice combo for wireless, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye.